Sri Radhishan ji, Additional General Manager, Sri Shahai ji, all the principal head of the departments, our Chief Medical Director and Medical Director. This is an excellent opportunity today to share glimpses, not only glimpses, but also the working system, work activities in this hospital, and some ideas and discussions about further improvement of the working atmosphere as well as the output of the activities in this hospital. That's why this presentation, and that's why I have this opportunity to share with you something about this central hospital. My earnest request to everyone, if at any point any discussion or any question or anything arises in mind, at that point it may be pointed out and may be discussed along with. Central Hospital Southeastern Railway now provides the 20th century medicines to all the beneficiaries of Indian Railways with all the active efforts and maximum output as possible by the eligible team in this hospital. Yes, it's a mammoth turnover. The outpatient department deals with this much high figure of patients annually. Annual figure of indoor admissions 7,639, and not only that, we have officer self checkup on Saturdays also. A dedicated team work makes such mission possible. Medical examination is our usual process. It's not only it only highlights our excellent output and only hard work that can attain this type of statistics. Only one thing we like to share with all of you. Suddenly, in the last year, there was a load of sudden medical examination on a short spell of within only 8 days we had to complete. There was a recruitment of handicap category. So only on 8 days, there were 210 successfully completed, and special drive in initial medical examination was 643. Those waiting days, we like to share with you that information. Only in 8 days, the team of Central Hospital completed this. Casualty, the renovated casualty inaugurated by Honorable CRB on 6th April 2014. We have the ventilator system there for urgent management, and mortuary is also under the control of casualty, and we have the provision of keeping 4 bodies in air-conditioned mortuary now. There is scope of further development also. Of course, it is equipped with all the urgency needed equipment, ECG machine, multipara monitor, nebulizer, cardiac defibrillator, etc. We have a long list of academic activities. The list is enough to say before you, and probably this is not complete within one slide. Maybe hundreds of slides will be required if we go into every detail of all this. Observation of important public health awareness days are very important in our hospital. We observe all those days. Even yesterday, World Health Day, we have celebrated here in this auditorium. These are some pictures of those health, of those observations of activities of world, some important days, etc. Here is an important feature we like to share with you, that is postgraduate teaching program in DNB. We run postgraduate teaching program just like MSMD. This is another course, Diploma in National Board of Examination, and our passing rate is 100%. We are proud of sharing this information with all of you. Our successful candidates of last year was in medicine 2 candidates, surgery 2, gynae also 1. Another more information to all of you, anesthesia department is also going to start one seat of DNB course in this hospital. The permission is waiting only at Railway Board. Postgraduate senior residency program has been started in just last month, March 2014, and we have got sanction of senior residents of 2 posts in medicine, 2 in surgery, and 1 in gynae and obstetrics. This is another postgraduate senior residency program has been started in this hospital very recently. Now coming into individual departments, whatever we can cover within this time. Advanced Kidney Care Center, just look at the number of turnovers. This says about the mammoth workload that manages throughout the year. All these are annual figures. We like to share with you that plasmapheresis has recently been started in this hospital, and the importance of plasmapheresis is the almost like changing of plasma of the blood totally, and it gives immense result to some conditions that reduces the cost of treatment of certain diseases by 50% by replacing the old methods of conventional treatment. These are the rising graphs of every year of the same department. Advanced Kidney Care Center is in works program reverse osmosis plant for the fluid used in dialysis. Now we are purchasing it. MNP program in more than 10 lakhs category has advanced version of dialysis machine 4 numbers. All these are in pipeline under processing. Department of Cardiology, again there is high turnover, ECG, echo, total patient, civic clinic, etc. And what we like to highlight here is that almost all the pacemaker implantation of permanent and temporary types we are performing here. Department of Cardiology, 3D echocardiography and transesophageal echocardiography is under MNP program. Department of ENT has high turnover also in various surgical procedure, long list, and we like to share the proud information is cochlear implantation. One finest microsurgery has been started in this hospital since 2012, and they have conducted a surgical workshop on this surgical procedure. Some photographs of ENT surgery. Department of Radiology, it has this high turnover of X-ray procedure, USG colored Doppler, and all those things. New addition is this remote control radio frequency system and PMD scan and 4D colored Doppler. PPP model of CT scan facility is under consideration, and Chief Medical Director Dr. Rai will probably highlight little afterwards. We provide community service also. All these are long list of voluntary services we provide at many places, just like voluntary blood donation, blood units collection, free IOL surgery at rural areas, community health checkup, summertime health camp at Howrah station, and regular school health checkup in the vicinity, especially our own Little Angel school. Operation Smile is another project that goes on every year in this hospital under the able leadership of Dr. Anjana Malhotra. Department of Ophthalmology has again got this type of high turnover rates, total surgery, and the latest finest phacoemulsification procedure we also perform here. These are the several procedures of retinal examination and their treatment procedure also done in this hospital at the eye clinic. Recently, one advanced phacoemulsification unit with the facility of torsional movement has been installed only on 31st March, that is last month, and the first surgery has been done on 1st April this month, that is 2014. Thanks to the special intervention of finance department and engineering department for providing this equipment quickly. Of course, material has been received, but fund is required for its bill passing. This is another 2 instruments, ocular coherence tomography and eye operating microscope is under process and waiting fund for issuing purchase order. These are another instrument under MNP program of Department of Ophthalmology. Department of Pathology has got again this type of mammoth turnover at every procedures, and Department of Anesthesiology again has got very high turnover as assessed from the high turnover of the surgeries performed here. The general anesthesia is 930 nearing 1000 and mechanical ventilation 412. Department of Anesthesiology is also recognized for 3 residential housemanship here, and training of medical officers and paramedical staffs are regularly being undertaken here by this department. Department of Psychiatry again has got its own prominent existence by this high turnover and services. Department of Gynecology and Obstetrics, OPD patients turnover is 9,843, very high turnover of surgical rates and everything. It has got some prominent coming up activities recently is program labor management, neonatal intensive care unit equipped with modern neonatal resuscitation equipment started upgraded labor room, vaccination against carcinoma cervix has been started, and Marina insertion facility. Endoscopic surgery unit for gynecology operations is another thinking that is supposed to come up. Orthopedic department has performed 182 major surgeries, very high turnover concerning the long time required for orthopedic surgeries, joint arthroscopy, and latest knee replacement has been done in this hospital. Endoscopy procedure of gastrointestinal system also has got very high turnover rate of 736, highest therapeutic endoscopy and ERCP, all those complicated procedures also being performed in this hospital. General surgery with all its super specialty system, total number of procedure 3,296, very high turnover, and these are the subdivisions of supramajor, major and minor surgeries. All these are long lists, not enough for one slide. It will require maybe more 4 or 5 slides to include all the naming of the surgical procedures. Operation Smile has been conducted in this hospital very recently, and these are the photographs. Future plan has got a city complex through PPP model, modular operation theatre for general surgery 2, and for orthopedic 1 is also in pipeline. Central sterile supply department in operation theatre is also under proposed plan. DNB course, that is the Diplomat in National Board, 5 already present. Another remaining prospective department is going to start it again. And procurement of anesthesia workstation is also under pipeline, that will improve the anesthesia procedure in our operation theatre. New Riverview cabins inaugurated on 26th January 2014. It has got 6 numbers of VIP cabins, nurses dormitory, nursing workstation and store, waiting lounge, changing room and toilet. It is awaiting functioning as manpower sanction is under process. Creation of staff posts under process are staff nurse 4, hospital attendant male 4, hospital attendant female 4, Sapaiola male 4 and Sapaiola female 4. These posts are required to run this Riverview cabin smoothly. Accounts department has put some observations over it, and we need to find out a solution on those observations, etc., to clear out the jot over this process. Here we like to share with you, as you have seen in all these surgical procedures, the names, etc., needs a lot of equipments in every department, and those equipments are required to perform those surgical procedures, and when those are condemned, we need newer one also to keep the workforce and the work process running in this hospital. Presently, some items of MNP program require some fund to procure this and to issue purchase order, etc. Here we have put it in a group. We have got 4 items. It status is material received but bill pending due to want of fund, and the cost is 43,11,029. 18 items, tender process complete and fund required to issue PO. 6 items are there, tender process running and technical scrutiny done. After that we need fund to issue purchase order, because recently there is a rider from stores department that without clear fund PO can't be issued. So these total 28 items need 6 crore 62 lakhs 14,633. This is a unusual situation which we have never faced earlier, and this is creating a hindrance to our day-to-day service keeping active in this hospital. So thinking on this, medical director and chief medical director has given a priority to 9 items requiring urgent attention out of these 28 items which need urgent solving of this problem, and these 9 items total cost is 5 crore 69,626. So that is all about the situations of some problems with the equipments we are facing now. Detailed list of these items with every detail is ready with us. These are only the highlights of the names and their costs we are sharing with you. So that is all about information, and Many thanks to all of you for providing your valuable time to stay with us and share all these informations with all of us. Thanks to all of you on behalf of Central Hospital of Southeastern Railway. Thank you very much.